मुझसे पूछा कि तेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, किसी ने पूछा कि तेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, तो मैंने उसे अपने छोटे से शब्दों में जवाब दिया कि न पूछ कि तेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, न पूछ कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, और अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है, हारूंगी नहीं चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, ये मैंने किसी और से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है। And I am proud that I am having this type of parents. They always give me every opportunity to do everything. I say, whatever you want, you can do. I am with you. They always support me. So, sir, ma'am, what do you think that what is education? Education is the first and the foremost right of the human being. And education for girls is very important as they are also the part of a society. They are also the future of a country. Children are first encountered by their mother only, who is a woman, and a child upbringing is totally dependent on the mother only, who is also a woman. So I think that the woman or a girl should be educated as a childhood only, morally, academically, and morally both. So I want in earlier times the girls were married off immediately after completing their school education. They were get married off. but एक बार बस मौका तो देकर देखो, लड़की तुम्हें एक बहुत अच्छा ही कुछ ना कुछ बन के दिखाएगी. She will also become an IAS officer. She will also become an IAS also crack the interviews of UPSC. Because she is also the future of a country. And people are thinking, I would like to tell you few lines in Hindi about that. ऐ जालिम दुनिया वालों अपना लो, ऐ जालिम दुनिया वालों बेटी को अपना लो, तपती धूप में छांव देती है बेटी, तपती धूप में छांव देती है बेटी, बरसती बारिश से बचाती है बेटी. तुझे क्या पता कि भगवान ने तुझे बेटी क्यों दिया, बस इतना जान ले बेटी भगवान उसी को देता है जिसका बाप होता है, जिसका बाप राजा होता है. And for that thinking, and I should give the opportunity to your and there are in earlier times schemes just like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao schemes and everything. There are many girls who want to study further, but they did not study further because the people, our country did not give the opportunity to them. If you give the opportunity to them, they will absolutely do anything in a big. Okay, so and I would like to tell you one story, which is the real story of my mother. If you like that, please clap, and if you don't like that, please don't clap. This is the real story of my mother. When my mother was young, her mother burned to the death, and after a few days, her father remarried. Her stepmother did not love her, did not like her, and and she gave all the household work to her. She do all the household work to that has given by her stepmother because it's her compulsion, and she do all the household work. Once upon a time, it is a time of her boards, and she do one thing, that she do all the household work in daytime, and in night time also she do all the household work. And when all the family members were sleeping, she go upstairs and she study a lot. She prepare all the subjects for her boards, and when the results were come, she got 94% in her boards. As going on, her 12th results her off, and then after, if her parents give her opportunity, she will also become an IAS officer. She want to become an IAS officer. She want to complete her preparation, but her father did not give her opportunity. If they give her opportunity, she will absolutely become an IAS officer, and she will help the needy people, the needy girls who want education. They educate them. And for that thinking, last but not the least, I want to say a few lines in Hindi, that किसी ने मुझसे पूछा कि तेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, किसी ने पूछा कि तेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, तो मैंने उससे अपने छोटे से शब्दों में जवाब दिया कि न पूछ कि तेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, न पूछ कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, और अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है, हारूंगी नहीं चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, ये मैंने किसी और से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है। And I am proud that I am having this type of parents. They always give me every opportunity to do everything. I say, whatever you want, you can do. I am with you. They always support me. So I am thankful.
महिलाओं का करोगे सम्मान, महिलाओं का करोगे सम्मान, तभी बनेगा देश महान। महिलाओं का करोगे सम्मान, तभी बनेगा देश महान। Women empowerment means elevating the status of women in our society.